What's up guys, it's us from Exploring the Unseen World, and this is going to be a Halloween special for you guys.
This is going to be dodgy as shit because we've got to climb through this right here.
We've got to climb through this little fucking hole. Right now guys,
I'll show them the time.
it is
8:20.
It's 8:20 right now.
So we're just going to give it a shot.
We're going to see how long we last. We brought something for a fire.
Yeah.
We're fucking good. We're literally, the second we walk through here, we're going back in time. We're going to be we're going to be cavemen in
with
here.
Chinese food.
With Chinese food,
Chinese food.
drink, and some snacks.
So we're just going to see what
So
it's like.
what we'll do, guys, we'll see you when we're in and we're set up.
Sick, mate.
Sick, mate. Bye.
In a bit.
The Chinese on this rock.
Right. We've gotten into this. We just got through that gap there. And my hand is like that big compared to the thing.
Right, guys.
So you can imagine the tight squeeze.
This place was actually part of William Beckford's land as part of Fonthill estate.
Oh, bats.
Oh yeah,
Bats. Not going up further, guys.
I probably can't hate that.
But this place was actually part of William Beckford's land as part of Fonthill estate.
Oh, bats.
Oh yeah, bats.
Bats. Not going up further, guys.
I fucking hate bats.
There's no echo.
Oh, there's part of an old Ford.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
What up?
We've just started the little fire.
Woo!
Which is pretty cozy.
It is warm down here now.
It is warm down here. We've still got the light panel on. Yeah, this hopefully it doesn't go out.
Fingers crossed now, guys. Like,
If we keep trying to sort of,
I'm feeding it, you see.
if we keep on
Feed it-
aiming,
as long as you keep feeding the flame something to continue to burn with.
Not as focused. There we go. Now we need bits of wood again. It's next to you. It's going pretty well.
Say, guys, this is the first fire Jack's ever done.
No, it's not the first.
Ooh. Put it on that big flame. Oh no, it's going out.
Quick, get that big bit and then put it on the top. Whew.
There we go.
Bang, it's annoying the piss out of me. Well, it's getting smoky in here. Oh, that's a lot of smoke. Alright guys, I just want to clarify, we're old enough to sort of know what we're doing, so we don't want you guys to like see this and then just sort of, you know, just go about starting your own fires.
So the thing with me, guys, when I was younger, I was in the cadets, and I learned stuff like this from that. And now I'm almost 23, so again, like Jack said, we've got experience in this over the younger viewers of the channel.
So yeah, don't just go around starting fires because it is dangerous.
And it is illegal if you do it in wrong places.
Yeah. But anyway, enjoy this video.
Oh, my arse.
What?
So we're gonna let you guys watch us. Probably not for the next 5 hours, but over the courses of clips,
We'll update you.
we'll update you. But I'm gonna have some food because I'm really
We've got
hungry.
Chinese food.
We got Chinese. We went to Chinese before. So let's go. I want my nom noms.
There's your 4.
Oh yes.
That's mine. Yours is in there.
Thank you, sir.
It's alright.
We got drinks. We got crisps. We got bugles.
I think Bugle falls under the first.
Bugles are crisps. And no, we're not burning plastic.
No, we're not.
Because that gives off some fucking nasty ass fumes.
Yeah, it does. Oh yeah. That's cool.
Right, guys. We'll see you in a bit.
See you later.
Bye bye. We're squatting.
We are swapping.
So. There's been another fire here as well. Yeah. Because there's another grate above here. So this goes. It's quite small, but it's quite a cool cake. And then there is a gate just up at the top. Oh, guys, do you have a straight edge?
Guys, so we got marshmallows on sticks, and we're going to try and cook some.
You gotta rotate it all 360 degrees. Your peanut. That's done.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's done. Your phone just fell out of your pocket.
Yeah, my phone just fell out of my pocket. Oh man. It's like smoky wood smoke flavour. Mm. Fuck's sake, got one. Right guys, I'm just going to quickly show you the time. It is 9:34.
Been in for about an hour now.
Yeah, been in for about an hour. I mean...
Oh my god!
What are you doing?
I am scaling the cliff! I'm gonna get down now. I feel like I'm gonna fall.
Yeah, you should probably
Oh
get
god! Okay, I wasn't that high, but I was losing my fucking grip. Hey, right now we're in fucking Narnia. I am waiting for Aslan to come so I can mount him and ride off into the sunset.
You'd mount a lion?
Just Aslan.
So guys, we are in this cage still. It's now, let me just get my phone out, show you the time. 6:10. I just fucked that up. It's 10:06, sorry. I was watching the screen. But basically, we're going to think about going. Because, well, fire's going out and...
Fuck my fucking stick!
But basically, yeah.
I'm blind!
Yeah, we're going to decide to leave, just take a little walk around the woods, which is pretty frightening all by itself, to be honest. But yeah, we hope you enjoyed this, because it was quite fun for us. It was something new.
Yes, please, Damien!
But yeah, our fire is going out ever so slowly. It's more smoke than anything now. I'll just give you a quick look. As you can see, just little bits left really.
Spunky marshmallow.
It's got marshmallow, bugles, all sorts on it. But yeah, it is going out. Oh, don't kick it, you tit! How are we going to put that out now? Well, anyway guys, you're going to watch us put this out. Right, don't kick it.
Okay.
It's just majestic. Put it out a bit.
Let me do it.
Let me do it. Hang on, where's the phone?
Don't waste the Fanta.
No, don't waste it. Where's the camera? You like an idiot.
Whoa! Went through half a thing of Dr. Pepper. The YouTube money paid for the Dr. Pepper, guys.
Yeah, right.
I didn't want to walk back with another pocket.
Without realising, we've actually smoked out the tunnel. Which isn't the best thing we could have done, but good thing it's all outside and, you know, well, yeah, it's outside, to say the least. Right, and Tom, are you recording as you're going out?
No, mate.
Right, I'm recording you.
Out.
I'm always looking at your fucking boxes and I'm fed up. You're stuck.
Yes, mate.
Just...
I'm coming back in.
Why are you coming back in?
We're gonna have to stay in here.
It's fucking smoky.
Yeah, this the fucking...
Should we just sleep in here tonight?
It's like a fucking gas chamber.
Yeah, right. Oh, Jesus Christ. That's a fucking... That's a gap and a half, guys.